There's this new design trend that I think you need to know about. I've been seeing it all over the web this year in 2023, and it's being used by some of the largest companies, even like DJI and Apple.
I wonder if you can actually spot it in this design. How about this one? It's actually not that hard once you know what you're looking for.
And in this video, I'm going to explore this design trend called Bento Box. We're going to take a look at different examples of it and how to put it together yourself so you can use it for your next web design.
Let me share some history. The term bento box originated in Japan in 1333 for farmers and merchants who needed a simple way to transfer their food. These days, it refers to meals that are divided up into simple parts that would be packed into a box. In the design world, this trend has impacted how we design user interfaces. In the last couple of years, graphics designers have begun to realize how simple and efficient bento designs can be. There are a few terms for it now, such as Bento UI and Bento Grids, thanks to Apple, who started to use it for all their product tech sheets, and Microsoft, who show elements of it appear in designs like Metro UI. The way to incorporate it is quite simple. Personally, it reminds me of manga panels or even comic strips. First, you break up a design into small grids. Then you create varied sizes for each box in those grids, so you have a mosaic of content that can later be populated. The visual hierarchy is easily understood, with larger boxes presenting more meaningful information, while smaller ones showcase less relevant info. This also makes the presentation on tablets and mobile phones easy to adapt, because each box can collapse easily for mobile responsiveness. Visually, they allow you to fit a cluster of information in more compactly than traditional pages allow. This is because each box can showcase something unique, allowing for a mix and match of layouts and information to be showcased. This is why it works so well for text summaries. When translated into the world of web design, it means that most of the relevant information could be shown on a landing page, and this would reduce the bounce rate from users who don't have to click on additional pages or even scroll to find what they're looking for. In the past, web design coding made it nearly impossible to incorporate bento box designs, since tables as well as inline blocks and divs didn't particularly adapt well for web layouts. Now with Flexbox and CSS grids, bento styles for user interfaces can easily be built. So how does one put together a bento UI? Well, I'll do it right now. Let me open up Wix Studio and I'm going to create a brand new page. I'm going to head to the Add menu, select Layout Tools and Section Grids, and here I'm going to select this design, which is already created to look like a bento grid. Then I'm going to go to Add Containers and Empty Containers and select to add 4 boxes into each one of these grid elements. Then I'm going to label each one of the boxes with a heading element. Finally, I can change the background image for each one of the boxes, or I can add an image on top, such as an icon. If you want to see more, check out bentogrids.com. It's the source of my inspiration for a lot of these designs.